Knowledge Adventures. Today we're going to be talking about pronouns. Pronouns are things that stand in place of a noun, so how to say things like I, you, he, she, we, etc. And these are very important with making sentences and also with understanding verb charts better in Italian. So let's get started. So let's go over pronouns in Italian. I is going to be io. I's in Italian sound like e's, so it's io. You is two, like the number two. And it says singular on here because we're talking about one person, it's not the same as if I said you all, or you guys, or y'all. This is just you, one person. Next we have he, which is Louis, like Louis, Louis. Next one is she, which is lei, lei. Whenever you see an EI, it sounds like an A, like sleigh. Our next one is you formal singular, which is also lei, which might be a little confusing, but it is capitalized. This is only used when you're talking about one person, and it is a formal situation. This means that I just want to be politer, so I'm talking to adults or elderly. The other you, too, would be used in more casual situations, so friends, family, kids, young people. Then we have the plural forms of pronouns. Starting with we is going to be noi, noi. You all plural. So it's not just you one person, but it's you all. So it has to be at least two people. And this is the same thing as saying you all or y'all. And this is going to be voi, voi. Next one is they, which is loro, loro. And then you all, formal plural, is also loro, but it's capitalized. This one, it means you all, so that's the same as voi, but this is the politer version. Again, formal means that I'm talking to adults or elderly. And then the other version, more casual, voi, that one I would use when I'm talking to friends, family, kids, and young people. And guess what? All that we learned today is in a free PDF that we offer on TPT, which is Teachers Pay Teachers. So check out the link below so that you can get this free copy to review pronouns in Italian at any time that works for you. Looking for more videos like this? Like and subscribe. And guess what? We also teach private and group Italian lessons through Knowledge Adventures in online sessions. So message us for details if you would like to learn more. Ciao!